How to fix Meta AI not showing on your WhatsApp application. Now, this is a very quick fix. The very first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the WhatsApp application you're using is going to be the updated version. Simply open up your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded WhatsApp. In here, type in WhatsApp Messenger, and this is going to be one right here. So you should be able to know if your WhatsApp Messenger needs an updating because the update button is going to be visible, which is going to be the blue highlighted button. Simply update it and check if the Meta AI is already showing on your WhatsApp. Next is to offload or to clear cache from the WhatsApp application itself. To do that, simply tap and hold on your WhatsApp application icon and type in the I logo. This will redirect you into the app info of WhatsApp. From here, just simply scroll down and head into storage, and then just simply um, apply clear data and clear cache at the same time. And that is how you fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp.